Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. And today we are going to discuss regarding two big hiring updates that are coming from Accenture. Okay, so I have already posted regarding Accenture sending assessment mails to those candidates who have applied few weeks or months earlier, and also posted recently a update regarding after applying to Accenture drives, how they respond to text message. They might send you the regret to inform mail, not mail, by text message in WhatsApp they send. So if you are not eligible, they will send that, but if your profile is eligible, then they will send congratulations, you are eligible, like that mail. So you can check those videos for better reference. But again, there is a new two hiring types that Accenture is launching. So first one we're going to discuss is for DHFR 2024 track 2 system and application service associate job role, and the second one we're going to discuss are going to be from system and application service associate grads job role. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our telegram group from the description box link for any discussions, and also make sure not to miss out on all the hiring drives, onboarding updates, exam updates we post regularly. So for that, make sure to click on the bell icon after subscription. So we're going to check all the hirings one by one. First one will be for DHFR track 2 system application service associate job role, CTC 3.44 LPA, 0 to 11 months experience required. Location Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gurugram, Pune, Kolkata, Nagpur, Indore, Mumbai, Jaipur. These all locations are eligible. What is the eligibility criteria? I'll give you the link, you can check from there, but also I'm going to discuss. So all stream and branches of BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, BVoc, BMS, BBS, BFM, all these are eligible. Okay, all these things are eligible, but for which batch, which year batch? Only for 2023 and 24 years of pass outs are eligible for this particular job role. Okay, for this particular job role only 23 and 24 batches is pass out. If any other batch is applying, they will get regret that mail. Okay, so make sure to check the eligibility criteria before applying, and make sure to mention to the note that BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc, these are not eligible for this role. So BE, BTech students are not eligible for this role. No active backlogs. You should have not no active backlog. You should have completed your relevant degree in the stipulated time. No gap should be there. No gaps during the course. During the course you should not have any gap, but in between two courses you can have, like after 10th, 12th and before college you can have gap, but between, like in class 12th, you should not have gap, like that. Candidate should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment process in last 3 months. You should not have more than 11 months of experience. You're willing to work in any location they give you and in any business unit, and also you should have permit to work in India. And the process we're going to discuss first will be mock assessment for getting accustomed with the environment. Next will be assessment 1. You will get 50 minutes time to complete this assessment. 50 minutes, 50 MCQ from English ability, critical thinking and problem solving, and abstract reasoning. And if you clear this within 5 to 10 minutes, you will get one mail for the next round, that is the cognitive and technical assessment. Make sure not to go away after leaving the first round, because the two rounds happen simultaneously. The next round will be consisting of 90 questions, 90 minutes time. This will also consist of English ability, critical thinking, abstract reasoning. Along with that, there will be common application of MS Office, pseudocode, fundamentals of networking and security. All these things will be there. And if you clear these two rounds within next few days, you will get the communication assessment mail. So that will happen on a separate day, and there will be 30 minutes time. They will check your sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency and pronunciation. And if you clear all three rounds, then there will be next interviews. Okay, that will take some time. The next hiring is also from Accenture, and this is a similar type of hiring for system associate, service associate, grads job role, but it will take for different eligibility criteria. Same 0 to 11 months experience, 3.44 LPA CGPA. But what is the eligibility criteria? So for this job role, all these branches are eligible. You can go and check the link I'll give for both the hirings. But before applying to any of the hiring, make sure to go on the eligibility part and check which batch is eligible for that particular job role. Okay, I'll give both the links. So for one link only 23 and 24 batch was eligible. For this link 2019 to 2023 all batches are eligible. Okay, for this link 2024 is not eligible. So make sure to check the eligibility before applying, otherwise you will get the regret to inform that particular text. Also for this hiring also, BE, BTech, ME, MTech students are not eligible. The active backlog should be there. Should have not have more than 11 months of experience. Should have been eligible to work in India. And what is the exam process? Exam process, you can same thing, 10 minutes of mock assessment, but the first exam or the first round will have 50 minutes time to complete these things: English ability, critical thinking, problem solving, and abstract reasoning. After completing within 10 minutes, you will get results, and the next round mails if you clear. That will consist of only technical assessment, and it will also be optional. It is optional but not mandatory, but scores of this technical assessment will be factored into the overall selection process. So there will be 40 minutes time, 40 MCQ, common application on MS Office, pseudocode, fundamentals of networking, and fundamentals of crowd. Next will be assessment. Here is the communication assessment. The duration of this assessment is approximately 30 minutes. Okay, and you will receive a separate email with timelines and login details to participate in the assessment. So this particular communication assessment will happen in a later date. They will check the same things, and the interviews I have already mentioned for the earlier hiring, you can check from there. But make sure to check the eligibility criteria again and again before applying, because the two hirings are different. Also, for the first hiring which I have said, for that particular case, the cognitive assessment is mandatory, okay, and it will be eliminational round, but the technical assessment was the non-eliminational round, okay. And for this particular hiring, this the cognitive assessment and technical assessment, this is mandatory. Okay, this is not eliminational, this is not mandatory, but they will check the marks to select the overall candidature. Okay, so that's it, go and apply.